nature has given us a substance that forms an integral part of our lives. Glass. Today, glass touches our lives in so many ways and is recognized as a trusted, versatile, and 100% recyclable packaging choice. Join us as we explain the glass-making process, a magical, specialized journey to produce nature's packaging. Glass starts its life as raw materials combined in a specific ratio. The recipe calls for sand, soda ash, and limestone. Elements are added to color the glass. Iron results in a green glass, for example. Copper in blue. Glass is infinitely recyclable, and we incorporate a large amount of recovered glass known as cullet to reduce the amount of raw material that is used. Cullet also melts at a lower temperature, enabling us to reduce emissions and save energy. Raw materials are stored in large silos and delivered to mixers according to strict recipes. Ardagh Glass Packaging uses leading-edge technology to ensure that the mixed material, or batches, delivered to our furnaces meet our stringent quality standards. It takes around 24 hours for a batch of raw materials to be converted into molten glass. Batches are continuously fed into the furnace, which is the beginning of what is known in the glass industry as the hot end, for good reason. The temperature of a furnace is approximately 1,500 degrees Celsius or 2,700 degrees Fahrenheit. From the furnace, the molten glass makes its way to the refiner area, where it is cooled to approximately 1,200 degrees Celsius or 2,200 degrees Fahrenheit. Maintaining the correct temperature is extremely important, not just to sustain the flow of the molten glass, but to ensure the highest quality of the end product. From the refiner, the four hearths deliver glass to the individual bottle-making machines. Streams of glass are cut into gobs of a predetermined weight, exactly as much as is needed to make a single bottle. These gobs are guided into the individual molds of the bottle-making equipment as part of a process known as forming. Bottles are formed in two molding stages. In the first stage, the gob of glass falls into a blank mold and the opening of the bottle is formed. The final glass container is formed using one of three methods. The first, known as the blow-blow method, is used for larger containers. In this process, compressed air is blown into the molten gob to create a cavity, resulting in a hollow and partly formed container. This is then transferred to the second molding stage, where compressed air is used again to form the final shape. The second method, known as the press-blow method, is used for jars and food containers with larger finishes. Here, a metal plunger instead of air is used to press a cavity into the gob in the blank mold before compressed air is used to form the final container. The third method, known as narrow neck press and blow, is used for narrowed neck containers, which require significantly less glass. Here, a metal plunger instead of air is used to press a cavity into the gob, similar to the press-blow method. The newly formed bottle is removed from the mold and transferred by conveyor to the annealing oven or leer, where it is coated with tin oxide to strengthen it, cooled from 600 degrees Celsius or 1,100 degrees Fahrenheit to 100 degrees Celsius or 212 degrees Fahrenheit in a controlled manner, and then sprayed with polyethylene wax to protect the surface of the glass. All glass containers manufactured by Ardagh undergo multiple tests and inspections to ensure that they comply with strict international safety, health, and environmental standards. The bottles undergo further visual inspection by sophisticated, high-resolution camera equipment, as well as trained specialists. Once approved, our containers are enhanced to our client specifications and to support their brand building and operational requirements. This could involve further coloring, embossing, debossing, coating, sleeving, decorating, and labeling. With the manufacturing process completed, the bottles are individually coded with production date and time, packed on pallets, and covered with protective shrink wrap before being dispatched to our customers. Ardagh is a proud global supplier of sustainable, infinitely recyclable glass packaging for brand owners around the world. The consistent pursuit of market-leading innovation, quality, and customer service backed by investment in our people and processes, underpins everything we do. Thousands of years after it was first discovered, glass remains an integral part of our lives. The beauty, versatility, and endless sustainability of glass inspires us to create innovative modern glass containers with a functional elegance and timeless quality.